How y'all do today, council? I'm back. How y'all do today, council? I'm back down here again. Last time I was down here, I was on official oppression. Apparently, I've been upset pretty much about this, so I brought a little audio and video yesterday so that some council members at large could see what I'm speaking about. And this is a 7-year, going on 7 years. Last week, Wednesday, neighborhood protection, 3900 Swingle, illegal dumping. They don't put signs out there. I have a 6-foot fence. They don't put a sign out there now. They call me on the phone. Yesterday, Friday, I get a call yesterday. Now they say I have a storage lot. I've enclosed 2 photos, one from each end of that property inside that 6-foot fence. You can tell that there's no cars, there's no storage, there's no dumping. This goes back to 2004 when a rush complaint was filed. This civic club, Shamrock Manor Civic Club, is a make-believe civic club. It's not chartered with the state, but the city of Houston is being conned to represent these people that are building homes. The DBAs do not lie. Rush complaint on the 17th, 19th, a DBA, sole owner, Joseph Boxey, sends it to his partner, Mr. Brown. These people illegal dump. I've seen them with my own eyes. Report it. One of these black property owners takes a backhoe and pushes a pile of trash that I have 4 311 complaints across the street from my home, where me and my mother live. They stopped the Hispanic people from building a modest home. They got rid of a trailer park that was in that neighborhood. The people paid $100,000 from California. Then they had to pay Cherry Demolition to clean it up. Now it's just sitting there. And it is on the busiest corner in Sunnyside, Monday through Friday, because I'm at the intersection of Swingle and Donegall, right down the street from the new clinic. This has been going on, and they've been targeting Hispanics, Africans, and whites. The African fellow that I came down here and spoke about, they tore his foundation up on the weekend teardown. They give him his property back lien-free. But the piece of property in between that African's property and Mr. Boxey's property has never been touched. Right there on my website with this Shamrock Civic Club sign and those manhole covers gone. This is a continuous selective enforcement. It's official oppression. You cannot use city and government to deny people's property rights.
Mr. Burns, the Mayor Citizens Assistance Office attempted to contact you. They weren't able to make contact with you, but Sergeant Baltazar with HPD is here.
Okay.
He'll visit with you on this matter.
Okay. Yeah, thank you very much. Y'all have a nice day.